Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. No one likes to age, and aging is influenced by various factors. In this video, I'll explore some of these factors and their intriguing connection to Breatharianism. Breatharianism, with its varying levels, revolves around adopting a lifestyle of minimum caloric intake. What you might not be aware of is that practitioners of Breatharianism, which have taught more than 1,000 of them already, they become highly self-aware of their habits, societal influences, and their own bodies. The transition to Breatharianism typically takes a few weeks to a few months after the proper initiation. And there are compelling reasons why Breatharians tend to enjoy extended lifespans. I'll give you the top 2 reasons. Firstly, the minimal caloric intake, a central practice of Breatharianism, aligns with the only scientifically proven method of extending life, called caloric restriction. Across various species, consistent lifespan extension has been observed through caloric restriction, proving its potential for promoting healthy aging. Biologically, the mechanisms connecting caloric restriction to increased longevity involve adaptive stress responses. These responses play a role in essential cellular maintenance processes like DNA repair, autophagy, and added growth hormones. Moreover, caloric restriction is associated with lower oxidative stress and inflammations, both contributing factors to age-related cellular damage. Let's simplify this concept. Imagine 2 identical cars, same make, same year. You drive one for 100,000 miles and the other for 10,000 miles. Which car would require more treatments, visits to the shop, and be worth less? Our internal organs, functioning like advanced machines, follow the same principles. The second reason Breatharians tend to live longer is linked to their elevated frequency or vibration. Energy is abundant, and accessing it is a matter of learning how. A higher vibration corresponds to a lower physical presence. And let me explain. Think about it like the frequency of a light from a bulb described in hertz. A higher vibrational experience of reality allows you to perceive life through a filter that takes things less seriously. Other people's expectations and the fear of death simply fade away, leaving you calm and in control more than ever. When I mention control, I refer to emotions, not dictating my reality. Breatharians exhibit a calm and joyful demeanor, even amidst life's continuous challenges. Such experiences are shared, to varying degrees, by many highly spiritual practitioners. Everybody reports reduced eating, reduced sleep, and tranquility and peacefulness. Extended fasting periods, or even practicing intermittent fasting that is related to Breatharianism, they're all associated with mental clarity and tranquility. Stress has become a part of our lives, but it breaks down cells and floods our blood system with cortisol, impairing our memory and accelerating aging. In today's world, bombarded with information, advertisements, financial pressures, and fears, stress levels are higher than ever. Approximately, from my understanding, 25% of the United States population alone relies on antidepressants, so you can really understand this is becoming a global phenomenon. There are more facets to how Breatharianism slows the aging process, but the ones I described here are really the top 2 most important ones. If you're eager to delve deeper, I recommend exploring my YouTube channel, my books, or joining a proper initiation when I come to a country near you. Namaste, my friends. If you enjoyed this channel, please like and subscribe, and check out my full workshop schedule on Maor.com.